Hello, this video is coming to you from the Built Lab. Today we're going to talk about the video editing software iMovie. Some of you might be familiar with it, but we're just going to cover some basic ways of navigating the program. We'll start by opening the program. It's usually a good first step. When iMovie opens, you'll see there's a Create New Project option, so we'll click that, and we're going to make a movie. Trailer is another option that they have. Okay, so this is the basic layout down here where my cursor's at. This is a timeline, so this will be where your video will start to take shape and any sounds that you're including. This right here, which says import media, this is your media area, so you can put videos or photos, any songs or anything like that in this area. I'm going to go in, I'm going to import some clips that I have. These might look familiar. So then to start your project, you will select an image or a video and you'll click and drag it down to your timeline. You'll notice this is an image, so it has a default effect on it where it zooms in. And you'll notice I'm taking my cursor and scrubbing across to preview the clips before I click and drag them. Now you can see I'm editing, I'm cropping the video by clicking and dragging on the right side of the clip. And any adjustments like this can also be made once the clip is down in your timeline. At the top of the screen you'll notice that your media is split up into audio, titles, backgrounds, transitions, and then of course your video. Over here you can see these are options about trimming your clip or applying like slow motion. There's some color effects up in that area. You can see I'm clicking and I'm dragging that clip and making it longer because it's an image. This is useful if you have any still images and you are narrating over them. You'll notice I double click the clip right here and it pulls up the default option for an image, which is the cropping tool. If you do that, if you double click on a video, it'll pull up color balance. Both useful tools. And now I'm ready to grab another clip, so I'll click and drag, pull it down to our timeline. The next thing that I want to touch on briefly is transitions in iMovie. You want to be careful using transitions as they can get to be the focal point of your project when maybe they weren't intended to be. You can see I'm just sort of scrubbing through them to test them out. It's a nice feature. Don't ever use that one or that one. When you've decided on a transition, just simply click and drag it down into your timeline and hold it in between clips. You'll see it'll turn blue like that. It'll indicate you can set it there. Then if you double click it, it'll pull up some options of duration. Also, if you have multiple transitions, you can adjust them all at the same time.